when we have once done one thing, we do it again.
Here.
Okay, but let me see if you know all this. Okay, I mean to see if you have learned your lesson. Perfect. Okay, now you tell me, what is she doing? Don't, no mistake this time. No mistake. Okay, what is she doing?
Baba, I want to drink water.
Okay, Mama, please give Michelle water. Okay, so what is she doing? Stand still. Stand like this. Sit like this. What is she doing?
She drinking water.
Where is your is? Sweet Michelle, John, you always drop your is. This is a helping verb. We
She's
cannot
drinking
complete
water, G.
again. Okay, let me repeat my question.
Hmm?
What is she doing? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. What is she doing?
She drinking water.
No. I'm not gonna beat you, John. She is drinking water. Baby, come on. She is drinking water.
She is drinking water.
Perfect. See? Okay, now what is he doing?
She is drinking. She is.
See? He. I said,
Wait,
okay.
wait.
What is he doing?
She is eating kana.
Is it a girl?
No, that's boys.
Well, for boy, we use the pronoun he. Okay? Now he. What is he doing?
He eating kana.
Where is the is?
Is eating kana.
Again, he is.
He is eating kana.
Perfect. Okay, khana is food in English. Okay, fine. And what is this? What is the baby doing?
He is laughing.
Perfect. Yeah. See, that's where you are using your helping verb. Okay. And what is this? The baby doing?
She is crying.
She?
She is crying.
No.
I said she is.
He. John, it's a boy.
Oh.
Look, for boy we use he. For girl we use she. And for two people we use they. Got it? Okay. Now what is he doing?
He is eating kana.
No, look at him. Now you say, what is he doing?
He is crying.
Perfect. See? Good. Now, what is he doing?
He is writing.
Perfect. And what is he doing?
He is reading book.
Perfect. And what is he doing?
He is sleeping.
Perfect. Now, so be careful. Be careful. What are they doing?
Okay. He is fine.
No. I said, what are they? There are two. What are they doing? You will say they are.
There are.
Now, the verb. What are they doing? They are playing.
There are playing.
Perfect. Good girl. And the last one. What is he doing?
He is jumping in the rain.
He's jumping in the rain. Great. Lesson learned. Perfect. Now, okay. What these are my body. You know your body. Now, I will place my finger on any of your part of body and you will tell me what is this, okay? Now,
My nose.
okay.
My cheek.
Perfect. And
My throat.
no, look at it. No, not this throat. This chin. What is this?
My chin.
Perfect. And what is this?
My eyes.
Perfect. And what is this?
My ears.
No, this.
What?
This where daddy kisses. Forehead. This is my forehead.
My head.
Forehead.
Forehead.
Okay. And what are these?
My hairs.
Perfect. And what is this?
My ears.
Okay. And what is this?
My throat.
Yes. And what is this?
My belly.
Perfect. And what is this?
My hand.
And what is this?
My finger.
And what is this?
My nail.
Perfect. And what is this?
My arm.
Great. And what is this?
My foot.
And what is this?
My arms.
No, this.
My legs.
Perfect. You know everything. Great. Turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, now this is my family. So, you tell me now. Tell me about your family. How many members are there in your family, Jan?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Okay, 4. And who is this?
That's us, Daddy.
Daddy. What is the name of your daddy?
is a Hassan.
Perfect. And who is this?
Mommies.
Okay, mommy. Not mommies. It's one mommy. Mommy. What is the name of your mommy?
Maya.
Maria. Okay. And who is this?
That's Michelle.
Okay, Michelle, you. And who is this?
So we have that brothers.
Brother. But you don't have a brother.
And we have brothers in the Nana home.
Nano home. You mean Shibuya? He's not a brother. He's cousin. That's cousin brother. Instead of him, you have a sister. What is her name?
And this is the brother.
No, your sister. This one. What's her name?
My Ellie.
Yes. So that's your family. Now next.
We have brother in Nana home.
What is his name?
So, yeah.
Shibuya. He's not a brother, John. He's your cousin brother.
Cousin.
Okay, yeah. So now these are the fruit. Do you know the names of all these? Let me see. Okay. Come on. What is this?
Mango.
Okay. And what is this?
Apple.
What is the color of the mango?
Yellow.
Okay. And what is this?
Yellow and red.
Okay. And what is this?
Banana.
What is the color of banana?
White and yellow.
Okay. What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Great. And what is the color of orange?
Orange and green.
Okay. What is this?
Grapes.
What is the color of grapes?
Green grape.
Okay. What is this?
Apricot.
No.
Avocado.
Avocado. No, it's not avocado. This is peach.
Peach.
What is the color of peach? Peach.
Ah.
Okay, what is this?
Wait, Baba.
Huh?
Red and yellow mix peach colors.
Red and yellow?
And mix and peach colors.
Are you sure? Okay. What is this?
Watermelon.
Perfect. And what is this?
Wait, Baba.
Oh, sorry. What is the color of the watermelon?
Black and red and green.
Great. Okay. And what is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. What is the color of the strawberry?
Red and green.
Perfect. And what is this?
Avocado.
No. Pear.
Pear.
What is the color of pear?
Brown and green.
Perfect. So this is for coloring. We will color it tomorrow. Jan, okay? Next. This is the matching. You already have done it. Okay, this is already done. This is already done also. Now, let us look at this.
Wait, Baba. I was trying to.
We should be studying this. What is this?
That says for
People. Okay, you have to tell me what is the profession of these people. Who is this? The one who milks the cow is called a
Dudu.
no, milkman.
Milkman.
Okay, and who is this?
The
The one who stitches our dresses.
Wait, Baba.
Mm-hmm.
The drink the milk.
Hmm.
Oh, drink the milk in glass.
Mm-hmm. No, this is the one who, brings the milk out of a cow and a buffalo.
I got the bricks.
Okay. Now, what is this? The man who stitches our dresses is called a tailor. Okay, you say a tailor.
A tailor.
And who is this?
I don't know. Police.
Yes, perfect. The policeman. And who is this?
That's the teacher.
Perfect. And who is this?
That's an American man.
Yeah, fruit seller.
Fruit seller.
And who is this?
The doctor.
Perfect. Now you tell me one last time. What is he? I just told you.
That's a man dress.
No, the one man who makes dresses is called a tailor. Mama, please bring Michelle's water.
Enough. And now.
Enough? Should we sleep now?
Wait, Baba, it's something.
Sudan, who is she?
Oh, what's the word?
Who is that?
That is about. I said Aliana and Kim Alice.
No, this is Michelle.
This is you when you were a little girl. You couldn't recognize yourself. Come on.
Pencil.